There are places in Tuscany where time does not simply slow, it deepens, acquiring a texture and weight that settles into the bones, like afternoon light through ancient stone. This is one of those places, positioned within the fabled Chianti Classico, within easy reach of Gaiole, yet sheltered entirely from the world by 7 hectares of private land. This farmstead has stood since the 18th century as a quiet witness to the turning of seasons across one of Italy's most celebrated landscapes. The hills roll outward in every direction, draped in the ordered geometry of vineyards and the silver-gray ripple of centuries-old olive groves, while Monte Luco rises in the middle distance, a constant, unhurried presence against the Tuscan sky. 2 buildings occupy the estate, neither subordinate to the other, each with its own character and purpose, yet together forming something greater than their sum. The principal farmhouse extends across approximately 250 square meters, its generous living spaces animated by light that shifts and softens throughout the day. A panoramic veranda opens the interior outward, dissolving the boundary between the inhabited and the elemental, between the curated comfort within and the ancient landscape pressing gently against the glass. A fully equipped kitchen, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a laundry, and a private cantina complete a residence that balances practical sophistication with genuine warmth. Nearby, the guest house, some 170 square meters of considered space, offers an atmosphere that is at once intimate and architecturally assured. A substantial salon anchored by a fireplace occupies the heart of the building, its open-plan kitchen integrated with the ease of a place designed for unhurried living. The master bedroom and its modern bathroom speak a language of refined restraint, where high-quality finishes and deliberate design details pay homage to Tuscan elegance without ever surrendering to pastiche. These 2 structures can function as a single, expansive private estate or operate in graceful independence, an arrangement that serves equally the extended family gathering and the discerning investor seeking a vehicle of authentic character. Outside, the panoramic swimming pool commands an outlook of almost theatrical beauty, positioned to capture the full sweep of the valley below and the silhouette of Monte Luco beyond. It is the kind of prospect that renders conversation unnecessary, where the architecture of the land itself becomes the entertainment. A substantial storage volume beneath, currently awaiting its next incarnation, offers genuine potential to house a private fitness suite or a spa of architectural ambition integrated seamlessly into the estate's lower level. The 400 square meters of living space contained within these walls represent not merely area, but accumulated intention, the result of a sensitive restoration that honored the structural honesty of a 300-year-old property while introducing every comfort that contemporary life demands. Stone floors that have absorbed the warmth of countless summers, ceiling timbers seasoned by generations, walls that carry the slight imperfection of the handmade, all of it preserved and elevated, given new purpose without surrendering memory. 700,000 square meters of private terrain surround the estate, vineyard, olive grove, and woodland, forming a natural amphitheater of Tuscan wilderness that ensures absolute privacy and an ever-changing seasonal theater. This is agricultural land in the truest sense, productive and alive, a landscape that invites participation rather than mere observation. To inhabit this place is to enter into a long conversation between human endeavor and extraordinary natural circumstance. A dialogue that began in 1700 and shows no sign of ending.